What's up, SD Racing family? Behind me today on the dyno we have Daniel's 93 Mustang Cobra, and it's got a little surprise.
So I came in today to finally get my 93 Cobra tuned. I bought it about 3 months ago as a project car. It was for a local buy that was, couldn't get some of the tuning issues, couldn't get a few little projects out of it, so he got frustrated with it, so I picked it up for a good deal. Started out having to go through and do all the boost leaks, oil leaks. It needed a rear end rebuilt. So ultimately it's a 331 stroker motor, fully forged, factory block, with a Holley Sniper kit on 3 twin turbo. It goes through twin 70mm 65 hot, through the factory T5 that's been rebuilt, King Cobra clutch, to an 8.8 perfect launch rear end setup, True Trac, 35 spline axles. So far, it's surprised me today. Goal was to make good power with no breakup, 400, 450. Before I brought it here, I was getting a lot of issues. Anytime you stomp the pedal, it would flood. And now, come in, first pull, made 501, I think, first pull, but still had the same breakup issues. And now we ended with 530. And 498, no breakup. There was more room for power up top, but I wanted drivability, I wanted it to be smooth. It is factory block still. So ultimate goals are to get a bigger block, safer block, either go Dart or 351. Still playing those around, but ultimately I'm excited, I'm happy. Like I said, it beat my expectations, and I can't wait to get in and drive it. Check out, see what it does.